In this demonstration, we will identify and import a discovered asset. When you add a customer, Enable nCentral prompts you to install a probe and configure a discovery job. The discovery job searches for devices to automatically import from the network specified. A device appears in discovered assets when auto-import is disabled for the discovery job, or the asset could not be identified by the probe. To view discovered assets, go to Actions and click Add Import Devices. Then click Discovered Assets. Devices found by the Discovery probe are listed under the Discovered Assets tab. Note: the probe will identify Mac devices but will not automatically install the agent. To manage a Mac device, the nCentral agent must be manually installed. Import, ignore, or delete discovered assets. nCentral removes an ignored device from the list but does not delete it. To view ignored devices, select Show Ignored Devices. To import an asset, select a device. The action buttons activate. In this example, we will set the device class and OS for a device labeled Other. Click Select Device Class, OS. Select the device class from the menu and then the OS. Click OK. Click Set License Mode. In this example, we will assign a professional license. Click OK. Click Import to add the device to the customer or site. Select Install Agents, and click OK to confirm the import. The imported device appears on the next screen and in the All Devices view.